Good morning. I am Tamaya Shetty, Assistant Professor in the Department of Chemistry, Vijaya College, Mulki. My topic is application of colloids. Contents: application of colloids, introduction, natural phenomena, blue color of sky, formation of delta region, coagulation of blood, in industry, purification of water. Learning objectives: to study the introduction to colloids, a reason for blue color of the sky, formation of delta region, and purification of water. Session outcome: student will learn student will learn student will learn colloids, natural phenomena, blue color of a sky, formation of delta region, and industrial purification of water. Introduction: colloids are heterogeneous mixture in which size of the particle are intermediate between that of the true solution and suspension. The diameter of the colloidal particle vary between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Example: star solution, gold sol, milk, blood, protein solution, etc. A colloidal system is heterogeneous as it contains two phases, namely dispersion medium and dispersed phase. Dispersion medium. This medium in which colloidal particles are dispersed is called the dispersion medium. It is the component present in larger amount. It is the solvent part of a colloidal solution. Dispersed phase: the particle of size 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer which disperse in the dispersion medium are called dispersed phase. It is the component present in smaller amount. Example: in star solution, star is dispersed phase and water is dispersion medium. In smoke, the carbon particles form the dispersed phase and air is the dispersion medium. Classification of colloids: based on physical state of the dispersed phase and dispersion medium, colloids are classified into 8 types. They are: solid dispersed phase and gas dispersion medium. Name of the colloidal system: solid aerosol, dust in air, smoke, fumes, etc. Solid liquid sol, starch in water, protein solution. Solid sol, glass alloys. Liquid gas, liquid aerosol. Example: fog, mist, clouds. Liquid emulsion, milk, cod liver oil, cosmetics. Liquid solid gel, curd, silica gel, cheese, butter, jam, etc. Gas liquid, foam, shaving cream, soda water, etc. Gas solid, solid form, foam, etc. Sol, a colloidal solution in which solid dispersed phase is present in a liquid dispersion medium is called a sol. Based on the affinity between the dispersed phase and dispersion medium, sols are classified into two types. They are lyophilic sols and lyophobic sols. Lyophilic sols: the colloids in which the dispersed phase has a affinity for the dispersion medium are called lyophilic sols. They can be easily prepared by mixing the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium. They are reversible in nature. They are not easily coagulated by adding small amounts of electrolyte, hence they are highly stable. Example: colloidal solutions of starch, alumina, gelatin, protein, etc. Lyophobic sols: the colloids in which the dispersed phase has no affinity for the dispersion medium are called lyophobic sol. These colloids cannot be easily prepared by mixing the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium. They are irreversible. They are easily coagulated by adding small amounts of electrolyte, hence they are unstable. For example, ferric hydroxide sol, sulfur sol, arsenious sol, etc. Based on the nature of the charge, colloids are classified into positively and negatively charged colloids. Positively charged colloids, metallic hydroxide like FeOH thrice, AlOH thrice, CrOH thrice, etc. Metallic sulfur Bi, Pb, Fe, etc. Basic dyes like methylene blue, methylene violet, etc. Hemoglobin is example for positively charged colloids. Negatively charged colloids, metallic sulfide like As2, S3, cadmium sulfide, etc. Metallic soul like Cu, Au, etc. Acidic dyes like eosin, Congo red, etc. Starch, sulfur, silica acid, clay, etc. Based on the chemical composition, colloids are classified as inorganic and organic colloids. Example for inorganic colloids are metal salts, FeOH thrice, titanium oxide, Ar, AgBr, sol, As2, S3, sol, etc. Example for organic sol is starch, protein sol, soap solution, gelatin solution, ink, homopolar sol like rubber in benzene, etc. Natural phenomena. Blue color of sky. This is due to Tyndall effect. The upper atmosphere contains colloidal dust or the colloidal dust or the colloidal dust are the as the sun rays enter the atmosphere, these rays strike the colloidal particle. The colloidal particles scattered only light of a blue color 4600 to 5100 Armstrong unit and absorb the rest of the light. Hence, blue light reaches us and sky appears to be blue. B. Formation of delta region. River water is colloidal, especially in the rainy region. It contains sand and clay particles which are negatively charged at the point where the river meets the sea of the electrolytes of the seawater, NaCl, MgSO4, etc., cause coagulation of the colloidal particle of river water. Thus, sand and clay particles are coagulates at this region called the delta region. So, this is delta region, coagulation of sand and clay particles. So, positive ions in seawater. Coagulation of blood. Blood is colloidal system having albuminoidal substance as the dispersed phase carrying negative charge. Bleeding can be stopped by the application of alum or ferric chloride by addition of Al3 plus from alum or Fe3 plus from FeCl3. Coagulation of blood takes place and bleeding stops. Purification of water. The water obtained from a natural source often contains negatively charged clay particles or coagulated by adding calculated amount of alum to impure water. The Al3 plus ion of the alum or Al2SO4 thrice acts as a coagulating agent. As a result of all the clay particles are settled down, the upper water becomes clear. This is why pure water can be purified. First BSc elective digital learning, Mangalore University. Thank you one and all.